So this is an updated video in regards to my previous videos in regards to the magnets. This is my glass ceiling, okay, or glass sunroof. These are the BUSHMAN Panoramic Popeye magnetic bases. There's two of them. And so what I usually do is actually just put this magnet here, the camera here, and this is the magnet, okay? I mean the whole setup. This is a battery, GoPro, and my magnet. So what I do is I put this thing here like this. I'll even it out. And I've never had any issues whatsoever, but recently, my wife is witness. I fell off, what, 2-3 times so far?
3 times.
3 times, and going speeds, not even, like I had tested it at 70 miles an hour. I was going slower. In Jersey, we were going like 40 miles an hour, 50 miles an hour. Mm-hmm. And that never happened. So that was surprising to us. So now, because of that, I purchased this cable at Home Depot. It's a metal thin cable. I want it as thin as possible. And I put these clamps at the end here. I put tape on it just to try to make, try to keep it from getting rusty. And I wrap it around that right there. And I end up taking a piece of Velcro, thick piece of Velcro, with another loop at the end with anchors or mounts or connections here. They're the U-shaped connections with 2 screws at the end. Clamps, whatever you want to call them. But I secure the wire together. I put 2 of them and I put tape around it so it doesn't get rusty. And I guess you have to have one of these luggage rack things if you have a flat roof. I don't know. I mean, if you don't have these, I don't know what else to do. But this is my setup. I wrap it around numerous times. Let me get it the way I usually wrap it around. Like this. And since I've done this, I've saved the camera 2 times now, right? Hung on the side?
Yeah.
2 times it hung on the side of the car. And the magnets are they're not sticking the way they used to. I don't know if it has to do with the constant pull power is demagnetizing the magnets. I'm not sure. I don't know. I just know they just disconnecting. And I've cleaned them, made sure everything was clean, make sure that the glass is clean and the surfaces of the magnets are clean. So I don't know why it's doing that now, but I put this cable and most of the time it stays up. I think I've driven, I'm gonna say about 2 months with this cable, and it's only fallen off twice, and I've filmed numerous times. So it stays connected most of the time, but once in a blue moon, it just falls right off, and I don't know why. So that's my fix for when the magnets start to, I don't know, demagnetize. Because we never had any issues before. So that's my updated video in regards to mounting the camera with magnets. Because if it can happen to these magnets, it might happen to others. I'm not sure. All right, so I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps.